Hello my friends, welcome to Tassel Tuesday. As you can see, I've collected some things onto my table and I have some extra beads here. So today I'm working with orange and brown, black. Might take some of the purple off of here. My inspiration were these little bottles of nail polish that my daughter Amanda had given me. They're completely dried up. And so obviously she couldn't use them anymore. But they were great colors with green and orange, and of course that made me think of fall and Halloween. And I thought I could maybe take, and where it says Claire's on it, and then it says nail polish, that might be a sticker. I could see if I can remove that. Actually, it looks like those are going to come right off. So, and then if I wanted to, I could maybe paint the word potion on there or something like that. And then we'd have a nice, you know, Halloween styled tassel. So I've got those. They might be a little bit big for the tassel. We won't know that until we get the tassel assembled. Not making kits with this one at this time. I don't believe that I have enough materials to do kits. So this will just be a one-off tassel that I will list in my Etsy shop. And anybody who is making a junk journal or just likes a little Halloween decor can, they could have an opportunity to get it. And then I did find this little charm, and it's a little frog on a lily pad, and it was gold, and I just thought frogs and Halloween sometimes go together. So, you know, we might use him. So I'm going to put all the little things that, you know, we do our bling with in there. Oh, and also, remember I got these beads at BB Craft a while back? Well, look at the beautiful shade orange in here, and then there's also black. And there's purple. So I'm feeling like I'm definitely going to use some of these as well. So we'll have all these goodies over here on the side, because that's the part where we just, you know, jazz it up a little bit. And just in case I needed more things to put in there, when I did that bulk jewelry bag, it was like a bag, I got all these little extra pieces of jewelry, and I thought I could go through it and see if there was anything that would work on a Halloween type tassel. And like, so for something like this, I could take the back of it here and bend it with my jewelry pliers, and then it could be a dangle. So I might do a little bit of playing with that once I, you know, kind of see where we're at. So I've gathered all these items. I'm gonna go ahead and set them aside so I have room to put the tassel together. Just kind of wanted to give you a little update of, you know, where I was with the items and the direction that I was going in. So I hope everybody is doing really well. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of, some of these need to be cut, so I'm gonna cut these real quick. Okay friends, I got everything cut down to size, and we're gonna go ahead and start building our tassel. So while I'm building that, I just wanted to mention that, first of all, welcome. Secondly, Tassel Tuesday is an open collaboration, and it is hosted by me, Creating with Jovi. And open collab means that you can jump in anytime you'd like, but you don't have to commit to jumping in every week. You can just jump in when you feel like it works into your schedule, or whenever you feel inspired. So that's what an open collab is. And I just ask that you use hashtag Tassel Tuesday, and also link my channel in your description box. And I will link your video in my description box. And that way when people come to my tassel videos, they can go to the description box and then they can find your video. So that's how Tassel Tuesday works. And I appreciate all of you for being here and watching. It's very fun and exciting. And if you go check out everybody's videos, you will see some amazing and creative stuff. I can promise you that. So please make sure you do that. Everybody comes up with, you know, obviously different themes and, you know, different even ways of making their tassels, different styles. not everybody likes a puff top. Not everybody does a puff top, and that's great, but some people do. But sometimes maybe they don't do it every week. You know, it's just a lot of fun. So check it out. And again, if you want to join in, then just remember that you are more than welcome to do so. We welcome you. You can see that today's tassel is a Halloween theme, and I don't know, I just felt inspired. You know, my daughter gave me those nail polishes, and you guys have been doing like Christmas videos, and so I just felt inspired to think about the fall time. So that's what we've got going on here. And I neglected to grab the ones I want to do in the center, so I'll be right back. All right, friends, so let's do something a little bit different from my normal. It's not necessarily different in the tassel world, of course, but it's a little bit different than what I usually do. So I'm going to go ahead and gather up the fibers. I'm going to put them on this ring, and then I'm going to go ahead and close up the ring. This will be the ring that will either attach to a journal, or somebody could wrap yarn around it and then hang it from a lamppost or a bedpost or a dining room chair, you know, whatever they wanted to do, doorknob, whatever they wanted to do. So we've got that there. Now, of course, we have to tighten the fibers right here, right below the ring. Otherwise, there's no way to secure them, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of this nylon. It's kind of real satiny black nylon. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of that. And by the way, I got that from BB Craft. And so I feel like I'm using a couple of things today that I got from BB. Actually, yeah, especially when we get into the jewelry stuff. So since I'm thinking about that, I will remind you guys that I do have a coupon code in my description box for BB Craft, and it's for $5 off. So if you would like to use that and get a little discount, you can. Like I said, it's always linked in there. And then also my friend Gwen, she gave me a discount code to put in my description boxes for 15% off of anything in her Etsy shop. And I love her. I love her work. She has such an amazing variety. You can tell she's such a creative, and because she has such an amazing variety, and I love her stuff. So if you want to check out her shop, but if you want to get something, you can save 15% if you'd like to. All right, friends, pretty simple. I have my ring, and I've got my needle nose pliers, and I've got my eye pins. So most of what I'm going to do will be using those supplies, but I also grabbed some gold bulb pins and also my black ones, and you guys know I love my bulb pins. I don't know why, they're just adorable. I love them. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and get started assembling some of these goodies, and you know, let me know if that's something you enjoy watching, or if you just enjoy seeing once I've done them, because you know, it's tedious work. I don't know that you guys necessarily want to hang out while I put these things together, but if you do, you know, let me know. And I think I'll take a few of these purple ones off of here. I think they're just going to be fun and whimsical. So we're going to try to do that too. Oops. Yeah, I'm not going to make you watch me do that because this is going to take a while. I'll be back. All right, friends. So I was trying to use my little pumpkin, and I went to bend it into a circle, and the thing came off. So I will be saving this to actually just glue onto something flat. It won't be able to go on a tassel. But since I'm taking a short break, I'll just show you. I was able to bend these earrings. So I was able to bend the backs of them to make it like there's a loop, and then I could put them on the string. So I think that looks pretty cool, you guys. So all right, I'm gonna get back to work. I'll be right back. All right, friends, our tassel is done, and I can't show you all the goodies in it in a photograph, so I am going to show you on camera, but then I will have photos at the end. But I just wanted to make sure that you could see everything, all these goodies that I attached to it. So we've got this purple ball here. And then we have our little potion bottle. And this is not flexible. This is on metal. So I'm just going to set this, oh, whoops, over here. I hope the paint's dry. I was giving it time for the paint to dry. And all right, so over here in this one, we have some bead dangles. And then I have a little charm here. And then we've got this brown. All right, friends, my other SD card got full, and so I'm not sure where we left off. But I think we left off at this beautiful purple satin one with the orange and purple beads. And then I have this nice fine orange ribbon, and I attached 2 gold earrings that I turned into bead dangles. And then on this fall one, actually on this black yarn, black and silver, we've got orange and black beads. And then, let's see, moving over to the other side. This is kind of a center strand, and so we have kind of a natural look on a bulb pin with some orange. And then on this brown yarn, we've got this pretty shiny glass bead, and then one of the purple balls, and then black and brown and kind of a yellowish. And then on this fine orange one, we have some orange beads, varying colors of orange. I thought that looked kind of cute. And we have on this black one, we have these 2 black earrings that I turned into charms. They just look kind of different hanging there. Perfect for Halloween. And then we have a bulb pin with some, these are almost a very, very light green, super, super light. They almost look more yellow or cream colored on here. And then on this one, we have orange, purple, hanging on the black strand. And above that, nope, not above it, it's on a different strand. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, oh yeah, all right, so here's another one of the glass beads, or is this the same one? Maybe it's the same one, I don't know. Anyway, guys, that is, I think you got to see all of the little dangles that I put inside of our tassel. I will share with you the still shots that I took. This will be available in my Etsy shop if you are interested in a October or Halloween themed tassel. Hello, my sweet friends. Thanks for joining me. I have received what I think is a happy mail from Kathy's Favorite Things. So let's get into it and see what she sent me. Whatever it is, it's a surprise, because I did not expect a package from her. But surprises are always fun, aren't they? Oh my, wow. Well, look, oh my. Okay, I'm gonna try to ignore that, and I'm gonna read the note. Let's see what this says. Oh, look how pretty this is, you guys. The magic of winter. Look at that beautiful card. It's gold and pink. And then there's these little tiny peppermints on here, pink and white, and they are just so cute. Dear Jovi, just sending you some crafty love. Aww, XO Kathy, Kathy's Favorite Things. That is so lovely. Thank you, Kathy. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open this so we can see what we have here. You guys, look at this fantastic pokey tool. I absolutely love it. These beads, like some of them are yarn or like fabric. Well, yarn, I guess, or string, I mean, whatever it is. And then some are more like a rubbery yarn. They're so cool. And then there's this little bow. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you, Kathy. It's so unique. I love it. Thank you. And then guys, look at this delicious yarn. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use these in tassels. Okay, first, can I just tell you how soft it is? I'm petting it like our friend Annie with Annie Creates. Oh my goodness, it's delightful. Kathy, thank you so much for this wonderful surprise Happy Mail. And I want to tell you that your timing is really wonderful. I've had another event in my life, and this is just really wonderful to, you know, just make me feel special and nice, and I thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed seeing my Happy Mail. Thanks for watching. See you soon.